This module describes the organisation and governance parts of the introductory certificate in project management. This download is just part of our parallel learning system. It includes podcasts, printed study guides, e-learning and face-to-face workshops. The APM project management lifecycle covers 4 phases: concept, definition, implementation, handover and closeout. It can be extended to include operation and termination. Concept is about creating an idea. It results in a business case which justifies execution of the project. Definition is about turning that idea into concrete plans which can be implemented. The output of the definition phase is a project management plan. Implementation is often split into 2 parts: design and build. This enables us to be clear about the difference between designing the new product and building it. The output of the implementation phase is products which are delivered to the customer. Handover and closeout is the process of transferring the project's products to operations. It includes signing off of all the deliverables and ensuring that they are accepted by the customer. Operations is the phase in which the asset is used to deliver the service to the end user. And termination involves clearing up the asset, either decommissioning it or maybe upgrading it for future use.
What is the purpose of a handover and closeout phase? As the involvement of the project in creating new products starts to tail off towards the end of the implementation phase, so the involvement of the operational users who will put the products to work picks up. This transition from the project environment to the operational environment is absolutely key to the successful uptake and operation of the end products. The benefits to be realised from the use of the products will be enhanced greatly. Organisational roles: who does what? There is a fundamental issue at stake when we start to consider organisational roles as per the diagram. The project manager reports to the sponsor for the purposes of the project. This relationship is separate and distinct from any line management or organisational relationship that may exist. The sponsor owns the business case throughout the extended project lifecycle and is ultimately responsible for the realisation of benefits by the business. The sponsor could be the project manager's line manager, but may not be, and certainly does not have to be. The team is managed by the project manager, and so are the suppliers. The latter of these, though, will have a contractual relationship with the project, and the project manager will, therefore, be managing them as a single entity, as opposed to the team members, who the project manager will manage individually. The management methods and techniques for each of these are clearly very different. The users also have to recognise the authority of the sponsor, and as such they represent the people who will operate the products and systems delivered. They have a dotted line to the project manager because although the sponsor will have final say over any changes that may be required, it is impractical to expect the project manager to deliver a fully functional and beneficial set of products without becoming involved with and having a viable professional relationship with the users. In summary, the various roles have these characteristics and responsibilities.
The project manager has overall responsibility for managing the project. He owns the project management plan, manages the team, manages the interfaces to clients. He liaises with the end users and manages the suppliers to ensure the project is delivered on time, to cost and to the quality expected by the customer. The user's role is to define what they want from the product. Their role in accepting the products into service. They must operate the products and liaise with the project manager to identify changes. Ultimately, though, they must accept the authority of the sponsor to define what the business requirements are. Some organisations have a project office. These can have a wide range of functions. They can range from administrative support to the project team, support from specialist staff such as planners or risk managers, quality assurance, or the development of project management standards to apply to many projects. Ultimately, they can be the home of project managers and assign project managers to projects as they emerge. At the highest level, project management offers provides strategic support to the business, deciding which projects should be executed and when. The APM identify a wide range of reviews that might take place during a project. These include routine project evaluation reviews, usually happen either weekly or monthly depending on the needs of the project. Gate reviews, in which the decision to proceed on the project is based on a review of the business case. Formal audits, which are often against standards. Post-project reviews, at which we learn lessons for future projects. And finally, benefits realisation reviews, which take place after the project is completed to demonstrate that the project has delivered the expected benefits. For more information about the Parallel Project Learning System, including printed study guides, online e-learning, podcasts and face-to-face workshops, visit www.parallelprojecttraining.com.